Hey everyone, this is Yash with Boomi, and in this video, we're going to check out how to use the Postman console to debug HTTP requests. So there might be instances where an HTTP request on Boomi is not working, but it's working outside of Boomi on a tool like Postman. So we can use the console on Postman to copy the request and also see some real-time logging, including request responses, any HTTP codes, headers, bodies, and etc. So in this case, I have my endpoint. I'm going to click on send. Now on the bottom, you'll see a console tab. If you click on that, you'll see all kinds of information here. There's a network tab. There's request headers. You'll see the request body, response headers, and you can also copy all the logs to your clipboard and give it to Boomi support if they ask for it. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.